So when I was studying for the bar admission course a million years ago, we used to use these felt markers. And a friend of mine got this brilliant idea because we were broke. And instead of buying new yellow felt markers all the time, he'd just get yellow ink and a hypodermic needle and then just inject the felt with yellow ink. Well, it worked pretty well, actually. And so around the same time, I had this old rusty MGB, and the radiator was always breaking down, and a friend of mine came to fix it one day, and he gave me radiator hose that was left over that I could use just in case the rad hose broke again. So at the time, this car I had had a window hatchback at the back, and you could see, if you wanted to, what was in the car. So in the back of my car one night, there was a hypodermic needle and rubber hose. Which made me look less than responsible. So I came back to the car the next day, and the car was broken into. It was cleanly broken into. Nothing was stolen. I had all kinds of stuff in it. I had gym equipment, and remember I had an income tax book in there of all things. And clearly, in retrospect, what happened is the Mounties came along and figured I was a heroin dealer by looking in the back and went through my car. And what else they went through that I had in other places, who knows? But they obviously thought I was dealing in drugs or using heroin or something, which was quite alarming. But also it taught me that sometimes appearances may not be what they seem. Just because it looks like there's circumstantial evidence, it defies the universal conclusion that what you see is what you get. There may be other reasonable explanations for such apparent conduct. So it's an important lesson, and I hope the police officers that broke into my car also came to that same conclusion.